Hi and welcome to the new video. So in this video we are going to learn how we can choose the start day of the week. So again you can see we will go to the main menu and from the main menu we will click on admin option, admin, then admin preferences. So you can see we have a journal option, and under journal option you can see here we have a starting day of the week. So you can specify the day on which the calendar week begins. So you can see specify the starting day of the week for calendar. So first day of the week. So click on drop down and we will choose Monday. If you're working in a, let's suppose if you're working in a KSA in the Middle East, so you can choose as per your requirement. You can choose the Sunday, you can choose Saturday as well, but we will choose Monday here. So now let's the overview of other options in this window. So you can see code separator. So you can see here we have a code separator. So specify the character for the separating concatenated these codes. It also the default WBS code separator for a new project, so you don't need to change. And you can see here this option, data filter. Select this option to define the time frame based on the beginning of the day, week, or month. So if you will click in this option, by the way, this is the new option. It was started from when Oracle released the 22 version. So if you will click in this option, so then we will work on the filter. So we will be able to use the current date, current week, and um, current months as well. So you can choose this option as well. So next we have activity duration. Specify the default duration for a new activity. So we can see here default duration we have a 5. So actually, whenever we will add a new activity in a P6, so system will automatically show a default duration for each activity with the 5 days. So you can put here 0, no problem. If you don't want to change it, so again it's okay. So because we will enter the planned duration for each activity ourselves, so we don't need to change now. Next, we will click on close to save the changes. So thank you so much for watching this video and see you in the next video.